Hello everyone, good morning. I am AFSHIYA. Today I am going to give a seminar on strings. Let me share my screen. As we all know, strings are a sequence of characters, and the characters may contain alphabets, numbers, or any other special characters like dot, and operator, etc. Usually, we enclose strings in single quotes, double quotes, or also in triple quotes. Strings are immutable in nature, that is, they cannot be changed. Example, here we are taking a string hello world in single quotes and assigning it to variable A, and the string Python in double quotes and assigning it to variable B. Python in inbuilt string functions. Mainly in Python we have three inbuilt string functions. They are len function, max function, min function. The len function, we use the len function to find out the length of the characters in a string, and min function gives a small to find the smallest value in a string, and max function is to find the largest value in a string. This min function and maximum function, it finds the smallest value or largest value in a string based on the ASCII values. Example, here we are taking a program. Here we are taking name equals to input of enter username. We are asking the user to enter the name, and then we are printing welcome and name. Length of the character, here we are using the len function, len of name. Maximum function, max of name, and minimum function is min of name. So the output we get here is enter your name, means the user will enter any name. Here I have entered AFSHIYA. Then welcome, name AFSHIYA. Length of your name. The length of the string is here 7, and the maximum value of character in this particular string is y, and minimum value of character is a. String concatenation. As we all know, the concatenation operator means plus. We use plus operator for string concatenation. This plus operator means, that is, concatenation means it adds values. For example, we are assigning a high string to variable a, and how are you string to variable b? And if we are adding a plus b, that is c equals to a plus b, and print c, we'll get the output hi, how are you, in a single line. Due to this concatenation. Operators in string. The concatenated strings operator star operator can create multiple concatenated copies. That is, if we are assigning a string, here we are assigning a string Python into 10. So it will concatenate Python into 10 times. Here we see the output. Here the Python is printed 10 times. And then string slicing operation. Slicing means it is a segment of a string, and this slicing operation is performed to return, select, or slice a particular substring based on the user's requirements. For example, we take a string s equals to hello, and in ideally shell, we give s equals to hello, and we are here giving s equals to 1:4. That is, the syntax is string variable start colon end. So here we are giving the start value as 1 and end value as 4. So it will print. Here it will be indexing will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it will print ELL, that is, it will leave the last character, that is fourth index it will leave, and then print the remaining characters from 1 to 3. And then if we give s is to 1 is to colon, that is, we are not giving the end value here. So it will print from the starting E index 1, so E to entire string, the remaining entire string will be printed. And then S colon E, no value, no start value, no end value. So it will print the entire string. And then S is to minus, start value we are not giving, and end value we are giving here as -3. So it will print HE, that is, the negative slicing will start from back side, that is, here it will be -0, -1, -2, -3. As it is starting from -3, that is E, and then we are not giving here any value, so it will print the remaining string. So HE will be printed. And string comparison operators. We can compare two strings using comparison operators. As we all know, comparison operators are nothing but equals to, less than or equals to, less than or equals to, greater than, and greater than or equals to. These Python compares these strings based on their corresponding ASCII values, as I told earlier. If we take example, here we are assigning string green equals to a variable string 1 and black equals to variable string 2. And we are printing both the values. Is both equal? String equals to true. Print is string 1 greater than string 2. String 1 greater than string 2. And is string 1 less than string 2. That is string 1 less than string 2. So we'll get the output. Is both equal? If they both are equal based on the ASCII values, we'll get true. But here both are not equal and this ASCII values also differs. So we'll get here false. String 1 greater than string 2. As the ASCII value of green is greater than the ASCII value of black, we'll get true. And is string 1 less than string 2? As we saw earlier, the string 1 is greater than string 2, so it will print false. String formatting operator. We use a percentile operator to format a string. Print my name is, example we are taking print my name is percentile s and I execute percentile d marks in Python. And here we are using the formatting operator. Percentile of Meher, that we are assigning a name and then marks. So the percentile s will correspondingly get the value Meher and percentile d will get the values as 92. And the output we'll get is here is my name is, instead of percentile s we get Meher and I execute percentile d means we get 92 marks in Python. Thank you.